Loupe Info is information regarding your image that can be viewed when in Loupe View in both the Library and Develop modules. Go up to View, down to Loupe Info, and ensuring Show Info Overlay is ticked, select Info 1 or 2. To toggle through the information, press I on your keyboard. Press it again to get more information, and again to turn it off. The Map module will show the location that is currently being viewed. Book and Print will show general print information. The information in these three modules cannot be changed, only toggled on or off. Information for Library and Develop modules can be adapted. In the Library module, go up to View and down to View Options. Pressing the combination of keys, Command and J on a Mac, or Control and J in Windows, will do the same. In the Library View Options dialog, ensure you are in the Loupe View tab. With Show Info Overlay ticked, you can preview the changes you make to Loupe Info 1 or 2. All three menus for both Loupe Info 1 and 2 are the same. You can select from an array of information that you deem necessary for collating and editing your images in Lightroom. Note that None is also an option. Clicking Use Defaults will show the information predetermined by Lightroom. It may be worth your while to go through the options to see what information they display and how it may be of use to you. If you untick Show Info Overlay, you will notice that the Show Briefly when photo changes tick boxes become enabled. Only one can be checked at a time. This will display that information overlay for a few seconds as you go from image to image. Show Message when loading or rendering photos shows a message saying loading or rendering while Lightroom is taking longer than usual to load or render a preview of an image. Show Frame Number when displaying video time. This will show the frame number along with the playback time when viewing video files. Play HD video at draft quality. This will lower the quality at which high-definition videos are played back in Lightroom to increase the processing speed. The Develop module has the same view options as Library, except for at the bottom of the dialog box, there are no options for video. You can select different options for Loupe Info 1 and 2 than what displays for the Library module. I hope this helped you. Thank you for watching.